Hello, this is how to use basket filters in Hario V60. So to do this, it's pretty simple. You just flatten this out, and then you just fold it in half. And then you fold it in half again. So then you have this, and then you just open up one of the sides here and put it in the brewer. So then I'll wet it in the sink. So then here you can see it formed to the sides pretty well. So this is a filter I got from Aldi a few years ago. I think these were just like a couple bucks for 200 of them. And you can see here, it doesn't go all the way up to the sides. So this one, it works well. I do smaller cups of coffee, so for me it's fine. But if you do big ones, you probably need to do like multiple pours, or you'll need to get a bigger filter. Guess maybe I'll quick measure this just so you can see how big these filters are. So this is about an 8-inch diameter. I think that's about a normal standard size for filters. So then here I have a bun filter. This is I think it's a 10 or 12 cup commercial filter. I got these on Amazon for about 11 bucks for 1,000 of them. So just around a cent a piece. These bun filters are 9.5-inch diameter. So these ones, you just do the same thing. And then for this one, I'll put this in here. This is the Hario Mugen or whatever. These two brewers are the same size. They're both like number 2 size V60s. But you can see in this one, it fills it a lot fuller. The filter even goes past the edges. So this one, if you do big cups of coffee, these filters work really well. And I've been doing this with these basket filters now for several months, and I haven't had any tear or any problems. So if you want to save some money, or if you just are in a pinch and need to use, if you run out of V60 filters, these work really well. So I hope this helps. Okay, one last thing I thought to show you is if you don't want to fold the filter and stuff, that's something else I've done that seems to work just fine, is you just put the filter in and then just kind of shove it down, and then I'll wet it. Now doing it this way, you can see it fit pretty well. It's not like to a point in the bottom, it's more rounded. But I've done this and I've never had any issues too. I usually fold it, but yeah, if you really want to just do it in a hurry, that works too.